Hello. Hello. I am Alicia Richard, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are here for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you'll never miss out on any amazing content like this. As I always say, sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. So make sure that you share this YouTube video and this channel with someone who you know can benefit from the content. So today I have my co-star because he did not want to stay where he was, and he saw all these bright lights and he was like, I want to be a part of mommy's show. So here we are. If you if you visit on a normal basis, you kind of just see him sometimes. So we're just gonna rock and roll until he wants to transition somewhere else. Okay, so I wanted to come and talk about this basic and very simple two-strand twist hairstyle that I have. Now, some of the things that I really like about this hairstyle is that, for one, it is convenient, and for two, is where I would kind of just consider it as like a protective style. And let me explain before I sound like I am like within the loose natural hair community, right? So I would say that this style is a protective style for me because if you've seen any of my videos before, I have experienced extreme hair damage and hair loss. Some of that came from color. Yes, a lot of it came from color. And then the others came from like postpartum. When I had my baby, I lost a few locks. My hair started kind of just doing its own thing. So I decided that I wanted to twist my hair only because like I just really didn't feel like it just hanging out like all of the time. So with this two-strand twist, some of the things that I like about it is I would consider it as like just a protective style, right? Which with locks, your hair are kind of just protected anyway. However, with this, I always have a bad habit, and this is a personal habit of mine, is where I always have my hand in my hair. Even like 8 years later that I have had my Sisterlocks, I always have my hand in my hair. It's kind of just like when I'm bored or when I need something else to do. I don't even know. Like it's all the time. So I really wanted to go ahead and like do just a simple style that will allow me not to have my hands in my hair at all times. So what I done was I basically did like two-strand twists, and it was looking a little janky. Like it wasn't giving. Another thing is that like with the two-strand twist, like I legit did it like I was 10 years old. You know, like those styles when your mom does your hair and she's like in a rush. So she just put like 8 to 10 like big twists in your hair until she's able to like come back and do it. Like that's legit what I did to my hair. So I had like a lot of my Sisterlocks together doing the two-strand twist. So I guess that was one of the reasons why I resulted in like putting it in a ponytail, or it didn't look as full as I wanted it to because I didn't do it like as like small as it should have been. So as a result, I was like, nah, I gotta put this in a style because this is really looking like out the way. So those are some of the things that I did to kind of just let me change arms. There we go. So those were some of the things that I've done to kind of just like make my hair like look a little bit different. So I am going to do some videos about me styling like this two-strand twist because it would give like a little versatility and everything like that. So anyway, so the style for this week is two-strand twist with rubber bands on the end, and it took me about maybe like 15 or 20 minutes to do my hair. What I normally do like at nighttime is I would just put like a bonnet on it. Sometimes I would sleep with the bonnet, like sometimes I don't. It really just depends on the day. However, with this style, especially with me being like a busy mom, I know a lot of times like my son likes to this is my show, not yours. Hush. You gonna take a nap in a second? So He likes to like put his hands like in my hair. He likes to like do all kinds of things all the time. So a lot of times protecting my hair, even from him, sometimes is a thing that I would have to do because he legit like pulls on mommy's hair. So anyway, so I just wanted to come just to do a quick video to show you this week's style and how we are navigating with this week's style. I will also have some shorts that are correlated with the 2-strand twist with the rubber bands on the end, and then that way it could give you kind of just a little guide on how to just style your hair. So remember to subscribe to the channel and also let me know. Shh, 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 hush, hush. Also, let me know in the comments below what kind of styles you would like to see next. Thank you so much for viewing this video for the week, and I will come up with a few more before the end of the week. And I look forward to talking to you all soon. Bye-bye. Tell them bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. See you later.